That's a new bitch, man.
Hey, you got this shit, bro.
Not with the hit, though.
That shit slow, bro.
Oh, that shit slow.
Yeah, this shit ain't fucking with your shit.
They saying don't give them nothing, y'all. Huh?
Give him the hit, bro.
He said he gonna give you the hit. He said he gonna give you the hit, but you gotta unplug your blower.
Okay.
Let you tell your ass.
What about the back tires?
Hey, just as soon as you see him move, just go.
Okay, okay.
Hey, he gonna give you the hit.
He gonna get.
You gonna give him the hit.
They want me to give him the hit, y'all.
You better give him the hit.
Yeah, all right, I'm gonna give him the hit, y'all. Fuck it.
Look out, you gonna.
All right, y'all the ones gonna be mad, huh? Nah, I'm gonna give him the hit.
And you got your AC on?
Nah, I ain't betting nothing. I'ma just let him hit.
And you got your AC on?
Yeah,
You finna gabble with your AC on too?
yeah. I don't know. You think I should gap him with that air on? That air feel good. Let me see. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna give him the hit, y'all.
You gonna gab the shit out of him, bro.
Okay, y'all see that temperature gauge? Still at 196, man. Hey, that air blowing cold, man.
Yeah, that shit blowing cold.
I'm trying to tell them, man. Okay, they pulling him almost.
Hey,
Hey, Funky Town.
hey,
Tell-
that fool runs 9-0, bro.
Hey, what if you ride with me? We go head up. That'll be 3 deep. We'll be 3 deep in the car. We ought to be head up.
He said you gonna catch him anyway.
Now with 3 people in the car, I'll probably put 4 more, 1 more, 4 people to make it head up, man. 4 people, man. Man, that hit a lot, man. My reaction time slow.
You gotta look out.
Tell her I'm gonna have 4 people in the car.
LS3 with a blower.
Come on.
I mean, super.
All right, huh?
He said ain't fucking trying.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna let him hit. Fuck.
Hey, y'all get back, man.
He said,
I'm getting back. Here, hold that. Let me see if I can point it at like his car. That way they can see it hit. Let's see if I catch his ass.
We did waiting on you, truck.
Okay, he should be ready. Okay, here he comes. Some of that AC water, y'all. I spent in that AC
Little
water.
bit.
It probably would have been good if I would have been spinning.
Goddamn truck too fast. Fuck that shit.
I'm over here trying to enjoy this AC, y'all.
Oh, that truck is slow, fool.
Y'all
Oh, that truck fast as a motherfucker.
That 4-wheel drive, he ain't do no
Shit,
spinning.
that bitch got out there. Shit, that bitch running. That nigga did. Oh, that bitch.
That's an LT swap
That
truck.
bitch there running. That bitch, I like that bitch.
Yeah, that's like it's a 2018 setup in a 92 or something.
He want his ticket, cause he know that bitch ran. that bitch ran like a motherfucker.
Let me see what they talking about now.
What they said.
Let me see. Tried to tell you.
Your fan said don't give him shit.
Oh man, it was spinning.
Your fan said don't give him shit. You should never got ass shit.
Let me see. My shit was spinning, y'all. somebody say head up for 200 now. Yeah, that's right.
Head up for 200. Ooh, that's still kind of hard. You'd have to focus. That bitch that running. Ooh, that bitch there. I know that whole run consistent passes.
Yeah.
I don't know about that head up. They gotta give you something. Man, that bitch running hell no. Go tell them, fool. I'll bet on that. They gotta let you on. Is the hit even enough for you?
Yeah.
I don't even know. They gotta give you they gotta give you back tires in the hit.
Yeah, man. I told
Hell
you.
nah, that goddamn truck too fast.
Nah, man.
That truck too motherfucking fast.
I'll run your ass straight.
Hell
When?
nah, we need to hit.
Yeah, we need to hit.
Boy, they hoe too fast. Hell nah.
Yeah, it's too fast.
And the hit ain't shit.
I told you. I told
That
you.
hit ain't shit. Really, we need a back tires in the hit. To even fuck with that hoe.
Hey, look at my boy though, man. Hey.
I'm ready. I already.
Come on, let's do 200.
Hell no.
Let's do 200.
Y'all let me go home with the W.
That
Yeah.
bitch, man, that bitch running, man.
He
I
told
would
us.
not be scared in that motherfucker. That bitch
Come on, let's do
running.
200.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Look out, look out. We about to get ready and head out, man.
Pedro.
We done had a good time. We about to go find Pedro real quick. Where Pedro is? Pedroski. Yeah, my shit was spinning. Raggedy motherfucker, man. That truck
I
running.
told him that goddamn
I
truck
told you
running.
that truck running.
Hey, I seen that ass go through here.
Already.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a good one, Gerald.
Where Pedro at?
Let's go find old Pedroski. Oh, there you go. There go the car. We just passed big time now. Get on the train. Pedro.
Oh, there
there they go right over there.
that Billy.
Oh, there go,
Big time. Pedro.
Oh, my bad, y'all.
Where look cute at?